Hi, if you're looking for a powerful and flexible web hosting, then you are on the right video. After testing a huge number of hosting services, I chose the best one for myself. I have been working with this for over 5 years. It offers many shared virtual private servers. In this short video, I will show you 7 features that will help you and make it the best in the best web hosting category. And now I will show you everything in detail with an illustrative example.
GreenGeeks is a leading web hosting provider that focuses on eco-friendliness and sustainability. Launched in 2008, this hosting provider is dedicated to reducing environmental impact while offering fast, reliable, and secure services to users worldwide. GreenGeeks not only provides standard web hosting solutions, but also offers innovative tools for website optimization. A hallmark of GreenGeeks is their philosophy. They utilize 300% renewable energy, meaning for every watt they consume, 3 watts of eco-friendly energy are returned to the grid. This makes GreenGeeks an ideal choice for those looking to run a sustainable business. By choosing GreenGeeks, you're not just getting hosting services, you're making a conscious decision to support environmental sustainability. GreenGeeks employs cutting-edge technologies such as SSD drives to ensure fast loading speeds for your website. They offer a 99.9% uptime guarantee, ensuring high availability for your site's visitors. With these features, you can be confident that your website will always be accessible, allowing you to attract and retain customers effectively. GreenGeeks support team is available 24/7, ready to assist with any questions or issues. Their friendly and professional approach to customer service ranks them among the best in the industry. With support available via chat, email, and phone, you'll always receive the help you need, no matter the time of day. GreenGeeks offers a variety of hosting plans, including shared hosting, BPS, and dedicated servers. Their pricing is competitive, and they frequently run promotions and discounts, making their services accessible for businesses of all sizes. You can choose a plan that best fits your needs, ensuring you get the most value for your investment. With one-click installations for popular applications like WordPress, you can set up your site quickly and easily. Their intuitive dashboard makes it easy to monitor your website's performance and manage your hosting account without technical expertise. GreenGeeks actively participates in tree planting initiatives, contributing to the reforestation efforts across the globe. For every hosting account created, they plant a tree, further solidifying their commitment to environmental stewardship. This makes GreenGeeks not just a service provider, but a partner in sustainability. It's the perfect solution for those who want to make a positive impact on the planet without compromising the quality of their online services. Join the GreenGeeks community today and make a difference while growing your business. WP Engine is a premium hosting service specifically designed for WordPress. With its specialized features, WP Engine delivers exceptional performance and user-friendliness. WP Engine offers loading speeds that exceed the industry average. By utilizing powerful caching technologies like EverCache, WP Engine significantly reduces page load times, enhancing user experience. Additionally, the company provides daily backups to ensure you never lose critical data, giving you peace of mind and reliability for your website. One of the key advantages of WP Engine is its technical support. With their team of experts available 24/7, you can be confident that you will receive prompt and effective assistance. WP Engine also offers resources such as articles, webinars, and community forums to help you maximize your website's potential. WP Engine provides a user-friendly control panel that simplifies the setup and management of your website. The intuitive interface allows even novices to navigate WordPress easily. You can install plugins and themes with one click, making your experience smooth and hassle-free. WP Engine offers a range of plans tailored to different needs. While their prices may be higher than many other hosting providers, the quality of services they deliver is worth every penny. With options to scale as your business grows, WP Engine ensures that you have the flexibility to adapt your hosting plan to your evolving requirements. WP Engine integrates a powerful CDN that caches your site's content across multiple servers worldwide. This feature enhances loading speeds for visitors from different regions, making your website accessible and efficient. With a global reach, your audience can enjoy a seamless browsing experience, regardless of their location. WP Engine is the perfect choice for serious entrepreneurs seeking reliable, fast, and secure hosting for their WordPress sites. By choosing WP Engine, you gain access to powerful features and top-notch support that will allow you to focus on growing your business. Experience the difference with WP Engine and elevate your online presence today. Cloudways is a unique hosting provider that offers flexible solutions for developers and small businesses. Cloudways allows you to easily scale resources to meet your growing business needs. You can configure your servers and select resources based on project requirements. This flexibility is perfect for startups and small businesses that prioritize adaptability. As your business grows, Cloudways ensures you can keep up with demand without hassle. Cloudways features a simple and intuitive interface that makes managing your hosting straightforward. You can set up servers, manage applications, and monitor performance in just a few clicks. This ease of use allows you to focus on developing your projects instead of wrestling with complicated hosting configurations. Cloudways ensures excellent security with features like automated backups, DDoS attack protection, and SSL certificates. Their support team is available 24/7, ready to assist you with any issues that arise. With a commitment to customer satisfaction, Cloudways ensures that you have the support you need whenever you need it. Cloudways offers flexible pricing plans, allowing you to choose options that fit your budget. You pay only for what you use, making their services highly competitive in the market. This pay-as-you-go model is particularly beneficial for startups that want to keep costs low while still enjoying top-tier hosting solutions. With built-in performance monitoring tools, Cloudways allows you to keep track of your server performance in real time. You can quickly identify and address any issues that may arise, ensuring your applications run smoothly. This proactive approach helps maintain high performance and reliability for your users. Cloudways is the optimal solution for developers and small businesses seeking flexible and scalable hosting. With its unique features, security, and ease of use, Cloudways provides a robust platform for your business. Experience the freedom of cloud hosting with Cloudways and take your projects to the next level. Choosing the right hosting provider can be a decisive factor in the growth of your online business. GreenGeeks, WP Engine, and Cloudways offer unique features that can meet any need. Whether you're looking for eco-friendly solutions, premium support for WordPress, or flexibility in hosting, you'll find the perfect solution here. Remember, the right hosting is not just a service, it's your platform for success. If you enjoyed this video and want more valuable insights on web hosting and online business, subscribe to our channel. Stay with us to keep up with the latest news, tips, and insights that will help you achieve success.